megalayapost.news
kum kadak ban pen I kaburom ya kikme kikpa kibala ka jing shakri la kikun kikti wala kadai haye ngasam ne ka jingnang jista na ka bantai la kikun kikti na kalyang kikna puli jong ka Sevio High Secondary School Baridwa menta ka singi kla penlong ya ka jingle kmen ka bakarpang na ka bantai kikme kikpa la ne parents de ka bala pelong ha hol jong ka te school hagni ka singi le kmen lawan bani shim benta do video ko umlingsin RD block uba Eric Kelvin Dekar kum kongsan ha ka jing don lang dak principal ka sister Molly Thomas urang ba snong ka Baridwa Bayonis Narleng kinohi kai bat kikme kikpa hagane ka sngi la sakhi kikna school jong ki class baper ki bala pen I la ki jong ki sam nadu ka shan karwai bat ki drama ki babatai shapang kalong yeng ka bale ben ya kikme kikpa bat ka ipat ka bainong ka bakiyo nangta ka drama ka bapen I kumnu ka social media kalate mraw kikna ki bala shulap mit be ha ki mobile phone bat kim pledging mutshu ha ka pule puti ka jong ki nakaliam kongsan hagane ka sngi ha bakran kikna ulairo ya ka sap ka bakikna pule ki ka school kila pen I menta ka sngi bat ka bakham iper uyo I bawala kikna kidon ha karensan bakishat ni kirwa henre kikmat jongki kiwat yala kikmi kikpa shei bakishong la kidon em ha bakikun jongki kishat kemen na kabenta yala kikmi kikpa hakani kasni kerpang jongki
See now what we could not see as children, the late night, the silent worries, the dreams set aside, so we could chase our own. The thing you give us, time, hope, comfort and stability are not just gifts, they are pieces of yourself, freely given again and again. We love you not just because you are our parent, but because you are extraordinary human being, kind, strong, flawed, and beautiful in every way. If we even became a fraction of the people, we will have been well. If we could give you anything, it would be the ability to see yourself through your eyes just made, so you could see how deeply you have learned, loved, admired, and cherished. From the bottom of our heart, thank you. We love you more than the words can ever express, with reverence, gratitude, and all the love of our heart. Thank you. Your happy parents say.
Country, we are here to honor the people who have molded our lives, who have shaped us, just like how we are built in the image of God. Similarly, also we are shaped by the values and the virtues of our parents. Today, in all these, in the talent show that we had by all the children of all the classes, firstly, I would like to congratulate them. I would like to acknowledge the hard work that they have put in, and I would like to also request each and every one of us to give them a very, very big hand for all the effort that they have put in. They have not only made the school proud, but they have made the parents proud. And today, in each and every performance that the children have put up here, their eyes have gone towards looking where our mother and where our father is. So that's the first inspiration and that's the first motivation that they look for. They don't bother about who's sitting here in front. Their eyes are looking for the parents. Is my mother seeing me today? Is my father seeing me today? I would like to mention also that parents are the architects of the future. What you do, how you shape character is what will ensure our children grow up to be intelligent, our children grow up to be meaningful, and they have purpose, they have passion, and serve the society with passion and purpose together. So today I stand here as a product of what my parents have taught me, the morals, the virtues, and all the integrity that they have brought me up with. I stand here in front of you as an example, and I am sure with your continuous love, kindness, support, and dedication towards your children, they also will reach a greater platform later in life. So with these few words, again, I thank you, sister, for inviting me. I thank you, Savio Higher Secondary School, for having me here today. It's been an honor. It's been a privilege. And yes, again, thank you to all dear parents for making it possible. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to wish all our parents here today a very, very happy Parents' Day.
Meghalaya Post.news.